Are you watching the AI revolution explode while others are getting rich, building apps, creating content and launching businesses without any tech skills at all? What if I told you that you could launch fully functional AI-powered apps, create AI-generated content, build entire AI-powered businesses? Starting today, with zero coding, zero experience and zero tech overwhelm, welcome to Ai360Studio, your one-stop AI powerhouse to create, deploy and monetize AI-powered apps, content and businesses. Right now, AI is the new gold rush. But let's face it, you've probably felt overwhelmed by complicated AI tools. You don't know where to start. Every tool seems to require a PhD in prompts, APIs or machine learning, and worst of all, you're watching others pull in ridiculous income with AI while you sit on the sidelines. The gap between those who leverage AI and those who get left behind is getting bigger every single day. That's exactly why we built Ai360Studio. Over 60 cutting-edge AI tools, all in one powerful, easy-to-use platform. Instantly create custom AI-powered apps, AI-written ebooks and courses, viral videos and marketing content, automated customer support bots, and dozens more. No coding, no complicated tech, no monthly headache juggling multiple subscriptions, just log in, click, create, and launch. We've removed all the confusion, tech overwhelm, and learning curves that hold most people back. Already entrepreneurs, marketers, coaches, agencies, content creators and business owners in over 17 countries are using Ai360Studio to launch businesses, create products, serve clients and generate real revenue, all powered by AI. From complete beginners to advanced marketers, Ai360Studio is changing lives, and today you get to join them. Look, there are lots of shiny AI tools out there. But here's the truth. Most give you one small piece of the puzzle. You need multiple subscriptions just to build anything. You're left confused, lost, and broke. Ai360Studio gives you everything you need under one roof. Funnel Genius, App Genius, Content Genius, Video Genius, Support Genius, White Label Genius, and so much more. You don't need to buy 10 different tools. You don't need a team of developers. You don't need months of learning curve. You just need Ai360Studio. But here's the catch. The early movers are getting all the advantage. This window won't stay open forever. Every week you delay is another week someone else takes your customers, builds your app idea, or launches your AI-powered business. The time to act is now. And to make it even easier, today you can get your own discounted access to Ai360Studio for a ridiculously low investment. No recurring fees, no hidden costs, instant access. Full training included, no coding required. Start building your AI business today. Plus, for a limited time, you'll get access to exclusive bonuses worth over $2,500, including AI Business Fast Start Masterclass, AI Monetization Blueprints, viral AI content templates, and the private Ai360Studio community. Click the button below right now. Get full access to Ai360Studio today. Start creating, start monetizing, start winning. Don't wait for someday. AI isn't the future, it's happening now. Ai360Studio is your shortcut, your leverage, your weapon. Unleash the power of AI with Ai360Studio.com, starting today. This special offer will only be available for a short time. Once we hit our platform capacity, new enrollments may be closed or subscription pricing will apply. Secure your spot now before this window closes. That's www.ai360studio.com. You don't need to code. You don't need to be a tech expert. You don't need a big team. You only need one thing. Ai360Studio, click below. And let's build your AI-powered empire, starting right now. That's www.ai360studio.com.